Lesson 12. Move the weight to the left foot. Right foot takes a step westward. Stand on the ground firmly. Right hand raises through the center line. Move the weight to the right foot. Body turns right slightly and squeezes to right back. Right hand raises to the top right of the right eyebrow, with palm facing leftward. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Left hand strokes along the center line to the left thigh. Left heel touches down the ground. Body turns right. Left hand palm touches to the right forearm. Arms and body squeeze to the right together. Left foot raises slightly and lands near the right foot. Left foot moves right slightly with tiptoe facing southward. Keep the whole left foot on the ground. Move the weight to the left foot. Droop arms naturally. Face southwest. 33. Ti Shou Shang Shi. Turn the body to the left and put the weight on the left foot. Face southeast. Put hands at the sides of crotches. Raise the right hand to the front of the mouth along the center line with palm facing inwards. Move the left hand from the left side of the center line with palm facing outwards. Uplift the right heel slightly. Relax waist and hips. With weight on the left foot, raise the arms further. Turn the body to the right and meanwhile uplift the right heel. Bend the knees to a comfortable height. Land the right foot to the right front with heel touching the ground first. Droop hands to the front of the chest with right palm facing downwards and left palm facing right. Prop the left foot on the ground and shift the weight on the right foot. Press the right hand to the southwest followed by the left hand droop downward. Turn the body to the right. Hands travels to the right in a curve. And shift your weight to the left foot. Turn the body to the left. With weight on the left foot, face southeast. Uplift the right sole with right heel on the ground. Hand stroke to the left in a curve till right hand travels to the front of the lower abdomen and left hand to the front of chest with palms facing inwards. Move the left hand to the base of the right wrist. Prop the left foot on the ground, and turn the body slightly right. Shift the weight onto the right foot. Droop the elbows and sink the shoulders. Hand squeeze southwards to the shoulder height with right palm facing inwards and left palm facing outwards. Look at the left hand direction. 34. Bai Her Lang Chi. Turn the body to the left. Put the weight on the right foot. Turn the right arm to an upright position with fingers pointing the sky. Droop the left hand naturally to the left side of pelvis with palm facing downwards. Turn the body to the east. Uplift the left heel with sole touching the ground. Move the left foot forward slightly with sole touching the ground first. Look ahead and relax the shoulders. Stand upright and breathe smoothly. 35. Lu Shio Bo. Put the weight on the right foot. Right hand stretches forward and falls along the center line. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Lift right hand up from the left. Turn right. Droop the shoulders and bend the left elbow. Left palm revolves inward facing the mouth. Right hand falls on the right thigh naturally. Left hand makes a downward stroke along the center line. Right hand rises up from the right and elbow bends. Palm swings an arch to the position of right eyebrow, palm facing outward. Right arm droops. Left foot takes a step eastward with left heel touching the ground. Droop the right shoulder and sink the right elbow, with right palm being in front of the chest. Left hand makes a further stroke to the left. Prop the right foot on the ground. Move the weight to left foot. Keep left leg bow-shaped. Press the right hand forward with the body. Left palm retreats to the left pelvis, palm facing downward with fingers pointing to the front. Put the right hand in front of right chest, with right palm facing eastward and pressing forward. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Relax the waist and droop the hips. Draw back the chin slightly and stand upright. Breathe smoothly. 36. Hai Di Jin, through Shou Wei Pi Bar. Turn the body left slightly. Right hand presses forward and turns left slightly with the body. Droop the shoulders and sink the elbows. Put the weight on left foot. Right foot steps up forward in half a step. Draw back the right foot slightly with the sole landing the ground first. Stand firmly, and put the weight on the right foot. Right hand swings an arc towards the left to the position of the chest, with left palm facing left. Left heel touches down ground. Left hand rises up along the left. Put the right hand before abdomen. Left hand makes a up-down stroke, stretching forward to the height of shoulders and palm faces rightward. Put the weight on right foot. Bend left knee slightly. Left foot rises up slightly. Keep the body upright. Left heel touches down the ground slightly behind the original place. Keep left hand and shoulder on the same height. Put right hand to the front of the abdomen with palm facing left. Relax the waist and droop the hips. Put the weight on the right foot. Draw back the chin slightly, and relax the shoulders. Keep the body upright and breathe smoothly.